Microsoft introduces Windows app on iPhones, Macs, and Android. Microsoft has officially launched its Windows app for iPhones, Macs, and Android users, creating cross-platform compatibility by bringing the Windows experience. The Windows app will be available on Apple's App Store for Mac OS, iOS, and iPadOS devices, on Microsoft's Store for Windows PC, as well as Android devices. Reportedly, the app was in the testing process for more than a year and includes many features, such as a customizable interface, which allows users to customize their home screens and adjust display settings to their preference. The Windows app also includes multi-monitor support that will enable users to perform several tasks simultaneously. Additionally, it also features USB redirection that will enable users to use devices such as webcams, storage devices, and printers, providing an experience similar to that of a cloud PC. The app will serve as a hub for streaming Windows from various sources, including Windows 365, Azure Virtual Desktop, Remote Desktop, and Microsoft DevBox. At the moment, the app's only limited to Microsoft Work and School accounts, as it's specifically designed for remote desktop clients. Previously, the company has had similar apps for connecting to PCs remotely in Windows, including the Remote Desktop Connection app that still ships as part of Windows 11. Microsoft hasn't confirmed yet whether the app will roll out for consumer accounts. However, there is a chance the company might make it available to all Windows users, given its longtime goal of moving everything to the cloud.